Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your measures. Because let's say if you are preparing this kind of an complex industry standard level dashboard, you might end up with creating lots of measures. So let's say for this particular dashboard, like I have created these many number of measures, which are, to be honest, quite less. This is only one single dashboard. You might have, let's say, hundreds of measures for, let's say, 5 6 dashboard at a one single time, and it would be very difficult for you to, let's say, organize, or when you want to make some changes, it's very difficult to trace them if you have lot of number of tables as well. So for example, I have if you see here, these many number of tables also. So it's a complex data model at the same time. So it's a very difficult to keep track of this, and at the same time keeping the best practices in your dashboards. So how you can create this kind of measure table which keeps all your measures at a one single place. Let's see. So I'm just created this blank canvas. So what you need to do, it's like first click here on enter data, and let's say once it pops up, what you need to do. So what I can do here is rename this to measure and measure table. Let's create this thing. Once you load this, it will see, it will come here as one of the tables, not your as a, let's say, a particular measure or calculated column kind of a things. Once it's get here, it takes a while. It's syncing. Then what you need, let's say you want to create some kind of an measure. Let me copy paste one of my here, and let me copy paste first. Let's say there is a formula for availability. I will just, what I can do, I will create this thing. I've created this thing. I will click on the measure table. I will create on new measure, and let me paste this. Let me paste here. Why it's getting hanged? So if I just place here, let's say I've just created this measure here, hit enter. As of now, we are not going into integrations, what exactly why it is and every other things, but this is what it is. So if you see, this measure table has this measure and the measure value. So what you need to do, just click here and delete from the data model and hit yes. So it will delete from your measure table, and it will happen, it will, this measure table will come at the top. It will let's see, it's working, and here you go. So all the measures you will see here on the top. So let's say if you, even if you have hundreds of measures, it will come like this. If I, let's say, if I just create one more measure, let's create one more measure just for to show like how it will look like. uh Let me do one thing. Downtime. Let me create downtime equals to sum of uh I need to duration fact downtime minutes. If I just create this thing, for example, if you see, this will come here. So from it will, whichever table you create that particular measure, it will come into this place. So it's easy to trace, at the same time it's easy to manage also. So even if you see, just for the dashboard that I have created here, it's just having some 7 8 tables here, and having, let's say, 10 15 26 measures are there already. So you want to track it. Let's say if I want to see which all measures I have going to use in this particular, so it's directly come here at a one single place. You don't need to go here and there, and it will show you what other dimension if you have used something else. So this is how you can create a measure table. Hope you are able to follow till this point. If you are, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and follow for more Power BI updates. Thank you so much.